And in today's video, air duster from AliExpress, compressed air duster. Link in the description. Also, discount code for you in the description. Let's unbox it. Wow. Whoa. A lot of different stuff. We do have a case, which is super cool. We do have a lot of ends with the brushes and everything. And USB Type-C to A cable. Great success. So, we do have a light, which is, how powerful that is. It's okay, I guess it's okay. Power of vacuum and power of USB Type A and C, I guess. That's cool. Then we have both. No, we cannot do that. I thought we can remove the bottom, but we cannot. Anyway, that's the power. So if it... Alright. What if I tap it twice? No. So I have to hold it, I guess. It is loud! Okay, hold it, hold it. That's number 1. Which is still powerful. Number 2. Woo! Woo! Oh, alright, that's too much. And number 3. Number 2, number 3. It is... Conclusion, it's a great blower. I don't have to spend more money on those. The price is also blow you away. Link in the description. See you next video. Oh, I can clean my camera too. That is cool.